Kaway, pare. Alive tayo. Good morning to everyone. Okay, para makita naman tayo sa live ng TikTok. Okay, kaway po dyan. Baka may mga kamag-anak kayo dyan. Kakilala. Sige. Thank you po. Okay, kaway, pare. Okay. Good morning.
Sir, try mo na.
Yan. 1702 MGLTV on your way. This is Roberto Regalado de la Cruz from DLTV Company. I hope you are safe and have a nice day.